Alright, chicken taco. Beef taco. Some sort of fish right here. Alright, beef taco. Right, now it's little Baja fish or something like that. I don't fucking know. Damn, not bad. Alright, curry goat, butter chicken. Curry goat, butter chicken. Fuck yeah, so tender. God damn. Alright, so butter chicken. God damn. Alright, and now seafood boil. Definitely chewy as fuck. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. That's like rubber as fuck. Anyways, trying to keep this to a short piece.